Hi everyone, welcome back to another Java tutorial. So in this channel, I make Java videos every day. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Okay, so in today's video, we're gonna be answering to a question, which is how to find the date of any random year. So for example, 2029, 2050, 2030, and stuff like that. So first of all, we have to import the date. So import java.util date. So, and also, by the way, the D should be capital, and then we have to import the time. So import java dot time dot star, just like that. So import java dot time dot star, and it is basically gonna import the time. Okay, now gonna start the code. Okay, so we have to write, yeah, so we have to write month day, month day, yeah, month day is equals to month day. So obviously the variable name is equals to month month day dot now. So it means like the day of this month dot now. Oh, or is not in a field dot now. Oh, okay, yeah. And also dot now is like a method, so I have to put the parentheses. Okay, so month day is equals to month day dot now, and then we have to write the local date. So local date, just like that, date, local date, date is equals to day dot add year, day dot add year, and then semicolon. So we can put any random date in this. So for example, we're gonna put 2050, the year, and then we're gonna print system dot print ln. Yeah, and then we're gonna print out that date. So system dot print ln date, just like that. And then once we execute this program, it's gonna print out 2050-06-24. Yeah, so 2050-06-24. So if we change the year, it's gonna 2049. So it's gonna 2000 yeah, how to find, yeah, system dot print ln a date, yeah, so 2049 6/24. So yeah, like so for example, yeah, so 2049 06/24. So today's month is 6th and then 24, right? So in 2049 it is gonna be like the same date, but yeah, it's simply just gonna print 2049 6/24, like all formed together, which is cool, right? So yeah, so like for example 2044, if we put, yeah, and then 2011, yeah, as you can see here, it's simply just gonna change the date, and then it's gonna simply just combine like the date and the month of today's like, yeah, the day and the month of today, and it is simply just gonna change the date, which is cool, right? And yeah guys, that was it for my video. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell too, so that you won't miss out any of my videos. And yeah guys, have a nice day. Bye.